Hello and welcome friends to 5 Minutes Engineering. In today's video, I am here with another array operation named searching. I'm going to explain you this operation with a very relatable and funny example of this respectively huge building which is having almost 100 floors. So these numbers are nothing but you can see as 1, 2, 3. This is the first floor, second floor, third floor, fifth floor. So in this way you can see this building is a huge building having 100 floors. Okay. And what's the situation that I'm going to tell you now is that you are invited, okay, you are invited as a guest, okay, for having some dinner in an apartment which is situated in this 100th floor. Okay, let's say apartment is there, it's your friend's apartment and he is living in this respective 100th floor and he's inviting you to be his guest and join the dinner. Okay, and the very bad news for you is that this whole apartment doesn't have a lift. This whole apartment is not having a lift. Okay, so you would be thinking hundreds of time to just go for this dinner or not. This is a very huge decision that you have to make because you have to go till that floor. Okay, now you just decides, okay, yeah, he's very close friend of mine, so if he's inviting I should go. Okay, so you just strengthen your muscles, your heart and everything, and just you go, and by the staircase you are moving up from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. You are just going up, and okay, you just reach to his floor finally. Okay, he welcomes you, he offers you drink, he offers you the dinner. You just have a great talk, you just spend a good time, and you get out of that apartment, and now you are at 100th floor. Okay, and you are walking down to the 99, then 98, 97, 96, and finally you are at this particular first floor and you are getting out of his building. Okay, whatever you have been eaten, it's all digested. It's all digested because this whole long journey you have carried out now. Okay, so the moment you are getting out of this building, you are getting out of, let's say, this first floor, you just remember that you are having a very expensive ring. Okay, you are having a very expensive ring in your finger and you are not able to find it now. Where have you lost it? Now you don't know where you have lost it, but you know for sure that it was in your hand when you were having chats and dinners and drinks with your friend at the 100th floor. Okay, at the 100th floor, you damn sure you know that the ring was in your respective finger when you were at the dinner party. Okay, but now it is not there. So something must be happened in between this, because you have not used the lift. Okay, you was using the staircase, okay, walking down. So something happened in between that. So what you are going to do, you are going to perform a searching operation, that where my ring has been lost, I don't know. Okay, so what you do, instead of going out now, he goes inside. Okay, and now there's a lot of things he has to do to search that particular expensive ring. So he first of all gets into the floor 1, he searches out there. No, he is not finding, let's say, there 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he's searching the floors. Now a basic question that I would like to ask you in this particular situation, what will be the best case for that person to find a ring? What would be the best case? So the best case would be simple as that he would find the ring in the first floor itself. He will find the ring in the first floor itself. That would be the best case, because he don't have to again climb up the stairs to the 100th floor now. Okay, he don't have to do it now, he just found it here only. So he's happy, he has not, he just got the ring and he's just going home. So that's the best case. But what could be possibly the worst case? What the worst case? Okay, so it would be simple, as you know the answer. It would be in his friend's apartment in 100th floor. Okay, at 100th floor. So what he has to do, he has to go to every floor, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's not finding it yet. He's not finding it yet. He's not finding. Oh, he got into 100th floor and he got the ring. Okay, he got the ring and now he's happy. Finally, I got my expensive ring, but it was found at the worst case scenario, means at the 100th floor. So this was nothing but the worst case and this was nothing but the best case. And similarly, the things are happening with an array also. Let's consider this building as nothing but an array, and these are nothing but position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 100. Okay, so total it is nothing but this much. Let's say 100 100 elements can be there in this particular array. And if you want to search a particular element, you are interested in a particular element, you want to search that element, if you find that element in the first position itself, you are lucky. You are lucky that you found, and it's less complex, and it is the best case. Okay, it's the best case. You don't have to work much. You don't have to, go to more number of elements in the array. You just found it in the first place only. But what could be the worst case? In array also, it's the same thing, that you have to go till the n or the last element. Like in this case, if there are totally filled up 100 elements with in your respective array, then you have to go till that 100. Okay, and then let's say you found the element. So that's going to be the worst case.